So enjoy time with us. It is Goda.
Hello.
She will also help you how to dance with women like real alpha man. Turn, spin, side, cross, front, cross, move front. This one. Spin, spin, spin. Move, spin. Then move your left leg and turn to girl. Yeah? Okay. Wrist direction and this direction. For girl is thinking where to go, where to go. This or this. So as an alpha man you connect to one hand and lead. Yeah? And you dance from here.
Journey will end, but I know where to start. They tell me I'm too young to understand.
Yes. The fingers you push down here. Down. Remember.